I started with a simple photo and turned it into something eye-catching. First, I applied the S-blur effect to softly blur to background, making the main subject stand out clearly. This gave the image a smooth and professional look. Then I used the splash effect to highlight specific colors, keeping the focus on important details, while the rest to the image faded into black and white. This created a dramatic and contrast. After adjusting the intensity and fine tuning the effects, the final result looking clean, creative, and visually powerful. These simple